I am going to show you a remote position that pays up to $35 an hour for part-time, although there's tons of full-time positions available too. So follow me this way, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Don't forget to like and follow for more just like this. First, you're going to go to Google and you are going to type in LinkedIn remote jobs. The first one that pops up is this. You are going to go here. First and foremost, you have tons of options, but I'm going to show you guys a little secret. And this is for somebody that has no experience. You're going to type in data entry administrative remote. Experience level entry. All right, you've got tons of options, but I want to show you the $35 an hour for the part-time work. Scroll down until you find the data entry clerk opening, remote. You can see here all of the responsibilities, but look how awesome this is. Look at all the benefits, 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, part-time for $35 an hour, entry level. I hope this helps. Follow for more.